Hey beauty, I will be sharing with you how I do my DIY Afro hair ponytail. Alright beauty, so you can use a old kinking hair extension or you can use a brand new kinking hair extension. I rather use the old kinking hair extension because whenever you do this DIY rope ponytail hair tie, it comes out smooth and more natural if you use the old kinking hair extension. That will also help you to save money instead of the brand new one. The brand new one come out a bit stiffer. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use my scissor and cut one of that long kinking hair into two. Then I will use my fingers and start to pick the ends, pinching the ends just to make it more natural. I'll pinch the ends while pulling on the hair, kind of like scratching the hair. Yes, after I finish doing both ends, I will split that hair into two equal parts. After you are finished splitting your kinking hair into two sections, split it into a smaller section or a medium section so that your kinking hair tie cannot come out bulky. We don't want it to come out bulky. Alright beauty, I am still pulling and scratching this kinking hair extension. As you can see, the new hair is a whole lot thicker than the old hair. I'm going to show it to you in just a minute. Then I'm going to trim out those unwanted hair. Yes, the one that just poking out. So guys, after I finish scratching the hair, I'm going to do the next. So I'm going to be using a gentle hair tie in today's video. There are other things you can do to the new hair extension to make it a whole lot natural. So one, you can put like hot water in a bucket. Make sure the water is not too hot and it's not too cold. Then you add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Then you add like a couple of drops of essential oil and take that your kinking hair extension and soak it into that water. Let it soak for 30 minutes to 45 minutes. After that, you take it out and let it dry. Then you use the kinking hair extension. Then the hair is going to come out smooth and softer. Yes, so this is my hair tie. You can take your hair tie and stick it at the back of your door handle and do this DIY. But I wanted you to see exactly what I'm doing clearly. That's why I decided to use this stick. It's like one of my Christmas collection. Yes. All right. So I pass that hair tie through that stick. And after that, then I'm going to get the hair that we'll be working on, pass it underneath the hair tie in between the stick. Then I will pass that hair through that gentle hair tie and pull on it gently. Then I'm going to do the next and the next. So for this DIY ponytail hair extension, I'm going to do half and half. This DIY rope ponytail going to turn your bad hair day into an amazing one. Okay, beauty, as you can see here, I am done making this DIY kinky hair ponytail slash hair tie. Yes, I'm going to show you how I use it. Alright, so this is my own natural hair. I'm going to put it into this ponytail and split that hair into 4 equal parts and do a bulk spray. After doing that bulk spray, then I'm going to put this DIY ponytail rope extension, lay that hair on top that hair, guys. So I already do a bulk spray video on this channel. I'm going to link it below this video. Yes, guys. So I did use some of my wet gel. That's why you see my hair looking so smooth and sleek. Alright, there are 2 ways I like to use this DIY kinky hair ponytail. I sometimes will do a bubble braid, and other time I will just pass that hair between my hair, braid up my own hair and just leave it like that. So guys, I will see you in my next one. Make sure to smash that subscribe button if you want to see more and more DIY natural hair care or DIY's natural hair product.